Let's walk through how to create a front chat channel. Click into your settings, find the workspace you want to install front chat for, if you're on a plan with multiple workspaces, and click Channels. You'll land on the Channels tab with the Chatbots tab next to it. Chatbots require you to first add a front chat channel, so let's do that. Click the Connect a Channel button and select the front chat option. Name your channel, which I'll call Education Chat here, and either add it to an existing inbox or create a new one. For me, I'll create a new one since I don't have one for this purpose yet. I'll call it Education Chat as well. I'll give access to it to the selected teammates. I'll choose a color for the inbox and click Create Inbox. Now we have our chat inbox and channel. Next, we'll configure the settings of the chat widget that will show up for your customers. Customize the widget color as consistent with your brand using the color options or the hex code. Next, you have the option to build a chatbot, which we won't cover in this front chat setup video. And lastly, you'll add the widget to your website so that your customers can start contacting you through it. You may want to set the visibility to off until you're ready to launch your website chat. The key part here is to add this unique code snippet to your website code. It's fairly simple, but it does require you to have access to your website code. You'll copy and paste this code and paste it right before the closing body tag of your website code. So if you need more detailed instructions, just click this link here. Once that's added, your chat will be live on your website for your customers to use. Even if you don't have website chat for your company today, think about adding it as a new way to connect with your current and future customers, especially since it'll be seamlessly managed within Front, which you're already using.